Dear students, we are discussing the topic mathematical logic. In previous video, we have seen statement and its truth value, logical connective, for example, and, or, not, if then, and if and only if. Also, we have seen compound statement like conjunction, disjunction, negation, implication and double implication. Also, we have studied truth table. In this video, we will solve some examples from exercise 1.1 which are based on these points. Let us start. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. State which of the following are statements. Justify, and in case of statement, state its truth value. I want to remind you, statement is declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Okay, we will start with first example. First one is 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. Is it a statement? It is a declarative sentence. So, it is a statement. It is a statement. And what about its truth value? 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. Is it true? No. That means it is a false statement. So its truth value is F. Its truth value is F. Have you understood this? Move to next one. Second example, x minus 3 is equal to 14. This sentence is true if x is equal to 17. And for all other values of x, this is a false sentence. So, it is not a statement. Not a statement. Why? It is an open sentence. Open sentence. Remember it. Open sentence is not a statement. Move to next one. Close the door. If I told you, go and close the door, what is it? It is an order. And we know order is not a statement. Not a statement. Every time for not a statement, we have to write its reason. Your reason is order. Good. Fourth one. Your fourth example is 0 is a complex number. Again, it is also a declarative sentence. So, it is a statement. Yes, it is a statement. Truth value. In 11th standard, we have studied complex number. And in that we have studied 0 is a complex number. So it is a true statement and hence its truth value truth value is T. Example number 5. Please get me breakfast. Suppose you are telling to your mother, please get me breakfast. That means it is a request. So it is not a statement. Why? It is an request. Good. We have completed 5 examples and now we will move to 6th one. Here sentence is congruent triangles are similar. I think in 8th or 7th standard you have studied congruent triangles, and that time you have studied congruent triangles are similar. Here we are declaring congruent triangles are similar. That means it is a declarative sentence. So it is a statement. Statement. And it is true statement. So its truth value, its truth value is T, capital T. Here question number 7. X square is equal to X. How this sentence is? It is an open sentence, and we know open sentence is not a statement. Reason: open sentence. This is question number 11. In from 7 to from 8 to 10, you have to solve and write me in comment box. 11 sentences. All real numbers are whole numbers. Again, it is a declarative sentence. So it is a statement. And is it true? We know whole number is a subset of set of real numbers. Set of whole numbers is a subset of real numbers. But real numbers are not subset. That means all real numbers are not whole numbers. So its truth value, it is a false statement. So its truth value is F. Example number 12. Can you speak in Marathi? Suppose someone asked you, can you speak in Marathi? This is a question, and question is not a statement. So to write reason, it is a question. And last example, x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 7. It is also a declarative sentence. So it is a statement. And for its truth value, we have to substitute x is equal to 7 in this equation. We have to substitute x is equal to 7 in this equation, and if we get LHS is equal to RHS, then it is a true statement, otherwise it is false. We will substitute, that is x square means 49 minus 42 minus 7 is equal to 0. That is 49 minus 49, which is equal to 0. That means we get LHS is equal to RHS, and hence it is a true statement. Its truth value is T, capital T, because it is a true statement. See once again. Now we will move to second question. Question number 2. Write the following compound statements symbolically. Which compound statements we are seeing? Conjunction, disjunction, negation, implication and double implication. We will start with first example. Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Which logical connective is used? And. That means given compound statement is a conjunction. First of all, we will write separate statements. And Q, Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, symbolic form it is represented as P and Q. Now, second example. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Which logical connective is used? Or. That means it is disjunction of these two statements. First of all, we have to write separate statements, simple statements. P, triangle is equilateral, and statement Q, triangle is isosceles. Therefore, symbolic representation is P or Q. Have you understood this? Try to understand method of solving example. If you understand the method, you can solve any number of examples. That means method is important to solve the example. Next one, question number 3. The angle is a right angle if and only if it is of measure 90 degree. Your logical connective used is if and only if. That means this statement is biconditional or double implication statement. First of all, we have to write separate statements, simple statements. First statement is the angle is a right angle. Write it. And second, it is of measure 90 degree. Therefore, symbolic representation P double implies Q. This is the representation of biconditional statement. We will see next example. Angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Here both statements are negations. Negation of P, angle is not acute, because here already not is operated on the statement. And second statement is angle is not obtuse. Actually, this statement is of the form angle is not acute and angle is not obtuse. Therefore, symbolic form is negation of P and negation of Q. It is most important example. Move to next example. Example number 5. If if triangle ABC is right angle at B, then measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 90 degree. Your logical connective used is if, then. That means this is implication. Here first statement is triangle ABC is right angle at B. And second statement is measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is 90 degree. First of all, write separate statements. P triangle ABC is right angle. At B. And second statement, Q measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 90 degree. And symbolic form is P implies Q. Have you understood this? Good. We will move to example number 7. That means example number 6 you have to do. You have to try and write me in comment box. 7th example is x is not irrational number but is a square of an integer. Here first statement is x is not irrational number. Here already not is operated on the statement. That means it is negation of the statement. negation of P, X is not irrational number. And second statement, Q, X is a square of an integer. Which logical connective used is but, and we know but is used for and. That means it is conjunction of these two statements. Symbolic form, is negation of P and Q. Good. Now question number 3. Write truth values of the following statements. For this I will remind you, for conjunction T and T is equivalent to T, and for all other values it is false. But for disjunction, false or false is equivalent to false and all other values are true. And for implication, T implies false is equivalent to false and all other values are true. But for double implication, T double implies T is equivalent to T and F double implies F is equivalent to T and all other values are false. Okay. Now first example, 4 is odd and or 1 is prime. Here logical connective used is or. That means it is disjunction. Here statement P is 4 is odd and Q 1 is prime. Therefore, symbolic form, P or Q. Whether statement P is true, 4 is odd? No. That means P is false statement. In same way, Q is also false statement. F or F, it is equivalent to F. Therefore, truth value of given statement is F. Second example, 64 is perfect square and 46 is a prime number. Here logical connective used is and. That means it is conjunction of two statements. First of all, write separate statements. 64 is a perfect square. And Q 46 is a prime number. Symbolic form, P and Q. First, whether this first statement is true, 64 is perfect square. Yes, it is a true statement. And second statement is false because 46 is not a prime number. Therefore, statement P is true and statement Q is false. Truth value T and F equivalent to F. That means its truth value is F. Example number 4. It is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. Here, which connective is used? Not. Not is applied to the statement. That means it is a negation. Here statement P is we will write negation of P. It is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. What about its truth value? That means P is 5 minus 3i is a real number. Is it true? No. That means statement P is false. False statement. And therefore its negation is true. Truth value of negation of P is T. Example number 5. If 3 into 5 is equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. Here logical connective used is if then. That means it is an implication. Separate statements. 3 into 5 is equal to 8 and Q 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. Symbolic form. P implies Q. Truth value. Here both statements are false statement because 3 into 5 is not equal to 8 and 3 plus 5 is not equal to 15. Therefore, both statements are false. F implies F and we know F implies F is true. Therefore, truth value of given statement is T. Okay, up till now we have seen 3 questions. Now we will solve 4th one. If statement P and Q are true statements and R and S are false statements, then determine truth value of following. Here we are given P and Q are true statement. That means their truth value is T and R and S are false statement. That means their truth value is F. And we have to determine truth value of these statements, compound statement. Let us start. We have to substitute truth value of corresponding statement and we have to keep logical connectives as it is. T or T and F. For conjunction, we know T and T is equivalent to T. Otherwise, it is false. That means T and F is equivalent to F. For disjunction, T or F is equivalent to T. Therefore, truth value of this statement is T. Okay. Second example. Again, substitute corresponding truth values. Here P and Q are true statements and R and S are false statements. T implies T is always equivalent to T. Also, F implies F is also equivalent to T. And T or T is equivalent to T. Have you understood it? Now, you solve this example. Try to solve this example. Let us see who will solve first. T and F is equivalent to F. Negation of T is equivalent to F. F and F is always equivalent to F. And F or F is equivalent to F. Therefore, truth value of this statement is false. Okay. Now question example number 5. Method is same. You have to just substitute truth value of corresponding statement. Here first statement is R and we know R is false statement. P is true statement and Q is again false statement. Q is true statement. Negation of false is true. T implies, double implies T. Again negation of T is F. T double implies T is equivalent to T. T implies F. And we know for implication, if first statement true and second statement false, then it is false. Therefore, truth value of this statement is F. It means this statement is a false statement. Last one. Example number 7. Same method, just substitute corresponding truth values. First statement is P. It is true statement. Again Q. It is also true. R is false. We have to keep corresponding logical connectives as it is. S is false statement. Negation of T is F and T. And again negation of F is T. Or second bracket, T implies T. T implies T is equivalent to T. And negation of F is equivalent to T or F. F and is equivalent to F and T. All logical connectives as it is. T implies here T or F is equivalent to T. This bracket will be F and T is equivalent to F, or T implies T is equivalent to T. F or T is equivalent to T. That means truth value of this statement is T. Understood? Good. Now question number 5. Write negation of the following. First example, Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. We will write its negation. First of all, we will consider this statement as P. Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. So its negation, just try to operate not at proper place. Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. Now we will see next example. Second example. Three is not a root of equation x square plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. P 3 is not a root of equation x square plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Here already not is operated, not operated on the statement. So when doing negation, where to remove it? Negation of P, 3 is a root of equation x square plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Now example number 3. 2 is a rational number. Now you try. First of all, write statement. 2 is a rational number. Then its negation. This is the notation for negation. Notation for negation. Negation will be 2 is not a rational number. And last one, first of all write the statement. Your statement is polygon ABCDE is a pentagon. Write this statement as P. Polygon ABCDE is a pentagon. Then its negation will be polygon ABCDE is not a pentagon.